What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's video, we are doing the reformer footwork on the mat. This is a quick, simple, maybe not so simple, challenging core workout. It's very short and sweet, and I like to add this onto something else. So for instance, I just did an elliptical workout, so I'm adding that on as part of my core workout. So you can add this on to other workouts, or you can just do it if you want something really quick and you want a very quick abdominal workout. I'm gonna demo 5 reps of each foot position. I recommend you do anywhere from 5 to 10 reps. Obviously, the more reps you do, the more work you're going to get in. I'm gonna start with some modifications. So if you're a beginner to Pilates and you just want something short, I'm gonna give you some of the beginners, and then when I actually demo the exercises, we're gonna do the full progression of that exercise. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So go ahead and lay down on your back. Everything can be done with the head and shoulders down. That would be a great modification if you have any neck issues, back issues. If you want a little extra support, you can go ahead and place those hands underneath the tailbone, and then our work can be done here. The lower you go, the more challenging it's gonna be, so you can make this a little less on the back by going more up. Also be mindful that the back stays connected to the mat and that we're using the abdominals and not the back. Let's get started. Hug those knees in, curl up the head and shoulders, support the head with the hands. Make sure your head stays nice and still so that we're not going up and down as we're doing this. We're going to start with Pilates stance, heels together, toes fist distance. Bring the knees in, zip up as we press out, so zip from the heels all the way into those abs. Bring it back in. Let's do 4 more. You can also bring the knees in and lower the head and shoulders between each one if you want a little bit of a break. Otherwise, we can flow right through. Head and shoulders up, hands behind the head. We're gonna keep the heels together, but now we're gonna flex at the ankle, wrap the toes like our bird on a perch, press out, zip it up, bring it back in. You can also do this in a parallel position. And again, 5 to 10 reps. Next is going to be feet flex, and I'm going to go parallel hips width on this one. Press out, keep those toes curling back to you. Abs scooping in. Keep that low back connected all the way through. For our last one, think tendon stretch. We're going to go back to Pilates stance. Press out, point, flex, point, flex. And that's it, short and sweet, like I said. This should take you 5 minutes or less. So a great add-on, maybe a great way to wake yourself up and get energized in the morning before you head out for the day. Or if you're already doing a full mat class, maybe this is just something that you add in just a little bit extra to get a little bit more out of your workout. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop those below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Lots more yoga, bar, and Pilates videos coming up as we're on our wellness journey. And I look forward to connecting with you guys in social media, so don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram. Those links are in the description box below. I'm also now on Facebook, so go check out over there. Lots of new content coming up for you guys. As always, stay well and stay fabulous. Bye!